Good evening and welcome to another installment of the Oklahoma Hedge Night. I got a request a while back to talk about protective gear for both fencing with various weapons and arming garments and kits. So we're going to be doing a series of videos related to all of this. My gateway weapon into steel weaponry was rapier fencing many years ago. I'd fought in rattan, various reenactment groups for a long time, LARP, padded weapons, but rapier was the thing that drove me into steel weaponry originally. Now, for fencing with rapiers, side swords, this jacket, imported by Revival Clothing, works real well. It's very lightweight. It's a canvas jacket that's typical of most modern fencing jackets, but it's protective. It does prevent against puncture. When I do fight side sword, I need to use usually elbow pads, forearm protection, things that give it a little bit more resilience on the areas that get cut a lot. It does take torso hits are a little more intense with it. If I find myself fighting more modern HEMA tournaments, longsword, side sword, various things like that, this Blossfechten Gdansk jacket has been my go-to for some time. I actually use two of these. This one has been set up with my various affiliations, organizations I fight in, have fought in. It's a little bit of a NASCAR jacket. It's rated at 350 newtons. There's an improved version of it out that looks a lot more historical that's rated 850 newtons. And this next jacket is actually one of its predecessors. One of the things is the same basic model as the previous one. However, I only display my heraldry on this. I use this and I tend to fight at reenactment events and where I want more of a historical appearance. Now, to bridge this video and the next one, for a lot of years, and a lot of people still will use these in the reenactment community, they're a imported 14th century basic gambeson. Their quality's hit or miss. They work fairly well, but they don't move great. Sometimes they're not the most puncture resistant in all the right places, but they do function. I've ended up preferring definitely the Blossfechten Gdansk jackets from Spes. They provide a better historical appearance combined with modern protection, modern ability to give resistance to a broken blade, good padding, good movement.